So, I'm going to have a good day today ahead. I'm going to have the blessed one. God is with me no matter how just say God is with me and I can do anything within him, within her, like held him. Guys, I am at the bus station and I'm waiting for the bus to go home. I'm so happy. I'm just like I feel kinda full of happier person than I've ever been used to be. So no downloading the show yitwa the Love Island, okay, and it's a full of vibes. Like if I say you bigger shows is I just think never I knows. Maybe it's a reality show, cause man, it's another kinda type of the show I've ever seen. Oh my god! So I'm just at the work. I will upload this video within the video at Sunday. Stay tuned, guys. I'm happy to share this life with you.
I've always just given up when things started getting rough, 'cause I'm just not tough enough. But with you I can't seem to give in. I wanna win this time around, 'cause I'm sick of people letting me down. It's like deja vu whenever I'm
guys, in patronizing this business. Yitwa Kristendela kuri Instagram. So check more on her Instagram page.
I've always just let it go, 'cause I'd rather do that than feel this low. But with you I just kind of know that one day you'll see the missing part of you, me. I'll be patient as patient can be. It's like deja vu whenever I'm with you. I feel like I've always known with you I'm home. So then why am I so afraid? 'Cause with you there's something more you're fighting for. So then why am I so afraid? I've been wrong before, even when I was so sure. So now I don't trust myself. Yet with you I can't seem to give in. I wanna win this time around. Yeah, I'm sick of people letting me down. It's like deja vu whenever I'm with you. I feel like I've always known with you I'm home. So then why am I so
For real though, only if you know how powerful you are, only if you know what you're capable of doing, you're not gonna sit there howling and thinking about what could have been or what should have been.
It's been long now. You're so close to the sun, you feel the burn now. And you waited and you prayed for the rain to come.
Oh, I'm at the bus station, as you can see, and maybe our bus is just coming all over. They can pate like the card, and I got the card. Yeah, I'm happy. Just share this life with you. Yeah, like I will just sit down, guys, but be there with you. Because from now on you won't ever see the sad part of the Ni Nyanza? Hey. Okay. So we're about to go into the bus. As you can see, it's starting over here. And I watch my favorite show. Yeah, right here. Okay. So happy, so excited to share this life with you. I'm happy from now on. I'm happy. I'm gonna close the Kayeno. But for real, I'm gonna pay. Like just tap the corner. I have downloaded the Love Island as episode 1, and tomorrow I will just open another one. And guys, yeah, I've started reading my first book, and it's called Eddie's Story. So guys, I'm feeling shy because I'm in the bus, and I don't know if but I will just vlog anyway, because who cares about me? I don't think no one cares about me now. I'm sitting in the bus station. I'm just going to natangiye gusoma igitabo cyane cya mbere cyitwa Eddie's Story. It's about this little girl who survived the Second World War. She was so courageous. I've just done with the part 1 of the book, and I can't wait to read the whole book and then share the insights. And then after reading it, completing it, I choose another one, like things yeah, I just want to explore all things alone, okay? Hi besties, finally it's the weekend and I'm ending the week feeling grateful, okay? So you do also, okay? So yeah, this is Saturday, and I'm coming from work. It sounds good. I'm going home to take a bus. It sounds good. Yeah, remember to stay positive, okay? Remember to stay positive. Remember to live your life. Remember to be happy. Remember to cherish that life you've got, okay? Because if you do not, no one is going to take over of that. You get? So I'm ending the video from here. Hope you ended. If you never waited till this time, make sure to drop the white emoji of the, anything white, okay? So that I could know that you reached this far. And thank you for being with me this video. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.